Alright, so I'm just gonna have you hold up the palette and then I'll talk, then I'll talk, then I'll talk.
See, we're good. Can you imagine? I'm like, hi guys. Turn into your accent. Let's try
Hey guys. I would say, hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back.
Comedy is always great. One more time.
Hey guys, welcome back. Wait, welcome back to my channel.
You say, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jaleesa.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jaleesa. Say it more normal. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jaleesa. That was really good. Oh my god. I'm gonna have Tori do all my intros, but we're gonna start off with a transition color in the crease. I'm gonna be applying one color on the lid, and I really want it to blend seamlessly. I'm not gonna be carrying it all the way to the brow bone, so we want something to help it transition very smoothly. So I'm using the Scandal palette from the holiday collection, and I'm using the shade called Break It Up, and I lightly spritzed my brush because I really wanted the color to be super pigmented. I didn't really wet it, like just lightly spray it, just so there's no fallout. And I'm using a fluffy blending brush. I believe I was a Maq 217, and really just apply it on the lid and then start blending it out with a clean brush in the crease of the eye. And this just helps soften the edges, just so it's a nice blended finish. After you have both lids blended out with the teal color, we're going to go in with a small brush with this silver shade in the palette. It's called Creeper, and because of Tori's eyes, the shape of her eyes, I'm just going to apply it into that inner tear duct ever so lightly. Next, with the OG concealer, Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. You guys know this is my favorite. I have a review on it on my channel. I use this all the time. I'm just applying a mix of colors. I use one lighter and then one that's her perfect skin tone and blended that. And then here I'm just using a light orange color corrector. I believe this was from Maq Pro, just to kind of balance out her skin. After that, I'm gonna go in with a contour, and I like to use, I've been using a lot of creams lately, so I'm using a cream foundation just in the perimeter of her face, and really just use a fluffy blush brush to blend it out. Next, I'm going in with the Hot Tryst Palette. I hope I'm saying that correctly. But oh my god, guys, this palette is so beautiful. And I'm using Bowery and Adrenaline. I'm mixing those two because, you know, I like to do that. And I'm just applying this on the cheeks. I really like this shade. And then I'm going to go in with Friction, which is the highlight shade on the bottom. And use that to highlight the cheeks, and a little bit by like the temples and the nose, and a little bit on the brow bone as well. And with the tiniest brush that you have, now that concealer is on there, I'm gonna apply a little bit of the teal color, that same color that we use on the lid, which was Break It Up, and I'm just using it lightly under the eyes just to open up the eyes a bit, because I'm not using any eyeliner in her waterline. Now we finish with powder, and I like to do that because it makes the blush and everything else looks like it's coming through the skin. So we'll move on to lips now, and this is one of the liquid lipsticks, and the shade is called Combat, and I really like it because it's not like a usual red or usual, it's like a color I don't really have, and I'm applying that with a brush. So we're gonna go in with the highlight palette, High Voltage, and of course we need more highlight, so I'm gonna go in with the color Queen and apply it exactly where we use the Hot Tryst palette, and just kind of give it a little bit more dimension, more glow. Then I went ahead and applied some of this onto her collarbone, especially if you're wearing a shirt that's off the shoulder, or even like a sweater that's off the shoulder or something like that. It looks really good. And I usually do this on shoots as well. I always do like the shoulders and the collarbone and stuff because it really looks nice in pictures. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoy that. The only thing I didn't record was applying the mascara, and that's just going to finish it off. If you want to apply lashes, feel free to. I just wanted to keep it pretty simple. And Tori's definitely feeling herself. I'm going to leave her channel in the down bar. And the second part of this video is just going to be showing the collection that Nars released for this holiday. I really like it. I'm just going to be showing you the palettes. I did forget to show the jumbo pencils with the little cute bag. But it's okay. I'm obsessed with these palettes. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. Those are actually the palettes that you used.
Yeah, that you used. Not uses.
So these are the palettes that I used. This one is the Hot Tryst palette. And there's 6 colors in there. My beautiful model is gonna show you. It's kind of hard to open actually, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Okay, but the colors though, can we get into that? There's 6 colors. They're all freaking beautiful. And then I'm gonna show you the eyeshadow palette that I used on Tori. You give me the palette. The eyeshadow palette that I used on her. Oh no, that's not it. The highlight palette that I used on her is, what's it called?
High Voltage.
High Voltage. There's 3 colors, and honestly, guys, I think that they could have gone a little darker with the last shade. But I was able to use it on Tori. I just haven't used it on myself yet, so I don't know how that's gonna look. But we'll see. The packaging is beautiful. And this is the eyeshadow palette that I used on her. Scandal. Super freaking gorgeous. Like, I don't think I've ever been excited about a palette. I get excited about makeup, but look at this. Look at it. And I was gonna use more colors, but I really just stuck with like a little bit of the brown. I barely used the black. But there's so many color combinations that I can do, and I'll probably do another tutorial with this palette. And then just a quick look at the other palettes from the collection. Which one is that? Provocateur? Provocateur. And that one is that has like a, what's it called? Like a berry kind of tone color. That's yummy because I don't feel like I have a palette with those color combinations. I like that it has some nudes in it. And then let's go into the next palette. It's called Orgasm what? Infatuation. And this has I guess it's a bronzer. All these little things you put on. It's a bronzer, highlight, and a blush, which are tones. I feel like on camera it looks a little lighter than it actually is, but I always use those tones like in my kit, so I'll probably use this in my kit and not on myself. But again, look at this palette. It's gorgeous. All right, and the next one is the blush palette, and you could tell them the name of it.
This one is Heartbreaker.
Ooh, I like that one. Did I show this one? Yeah, that one is cute. And then let's just really quickly go over the lippies. Show them all at once. I'll take that. And these are the 3 lippies. They're all magnetic. And what's pretty cool about these is that they have they're freaking embossed. So the same packaging of the palettes. All the lipsticks have this beautiful, like, you can push them up closer. Yeah, that's perfect. Look at that. So all 3 colors that I would use in my kit and on myself. Love that. And then there's a ton of, I'm probably not going to swatch these, but I'm going to show you. There are a ton of, what do you call these things?
Liquid lipsticks?
Liquid lipsticks, but they freaking like, ooh, you know what I think I'm going to try? Let's see. There's this bronzy shade, and I think it's like a lip luster. So I guess you can show them these. And this is like a bronzy color. And I think I'm just gonna try a tiny bit in the center of Tori's lips. Here, this one.
Just show me this one.
Yeah, show them the color I used. So that color is which one?
This is Pierce.
Oh, that's so beautiful. Let me see something. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh.